Hello, Mr. Wahlberg here for 9.4 Volume of Prisms. It says volume is the product of the area of the base and the height of the prism. Um, doesn't matter what kind of prism you have. Here's a rectangular prism. Here's a triangular prism. Bottom line, as the formula dictates here, you have to find the volume, the base, whatever it is, and multiply it by the height. In this case, I would multiply length times width to find the area of that base, and then I would multiply by that height. So I'd multiply these three together. A little different with a triangle. I'd obviously have to use the formula for the area of a triangle, and then when I find the area of that, I'd multiply by the height, and I would be done. Let's go ahead and put that into action. Here I have a, you got to think about your figure. This is a rectangular prism. My base is 6 times 8 there, so I'm going to multiply 6 times 8, and I'm going to get 48. And then I need to multiply it by the height, and I'm going to multiply the 48 then times the 15. And when I go ahead and do that, I'm going to get 720, and it's a volume. So now I have to cube it, and I'm going to get 720 yards cubed. Find the volume of this prism. This one's a triangular prism. To do so, you have to think with this thing turned, because we cannot use this rectangle as the base. We have to use, for a triangular prism, we have to use the triangle as the base to be able to properly do this. We know that volume is base times height. My base is a triangle, so I'm going to have to do 1/2 base times height, and then when I find that, then I go ahead and I multiply it by the height of this, which I'm going to go ahead and just plug it in as 4. 1/2, the base of the triangle is 5.5, the height of the triangle is 2, and then as I said, we'll multiply that by 4 when I'm done. 5.5 times 2 was 11. I'm going to take and 1/2 of that, and I'm going to be right back to 5.5. And I'm going to go ahead and then multiply that by 4, and I'm going to get 22. And that would be inches. And we're talking volume now, so I need to cube it. 22 inches cubed. Alright, that's enough, I think, practice. It's pretty straightforward. Just got to multiply base times height, the area of the base. I keep skipping that part. The area of the base times the height to go ahead and find the volume of a prism. Number 1's pretty straightforward. I'd like you to try that one. Number 2, again, a little tricky. This is going to be your base, the triangle. Your height will be the 9. Good luck. I will see you tomorrow.